Did you know that you can bang a 3-inch piece of black PVC inside a 4-inch orangeburg that's been collapsed? So I've already done this. I took a 3-inch piece of PVC and I jammed it inside this orangeburg here, 10 feet in, just by hitting it with a 2x4. Kept going. Of course, behind me, I've got to have a bunch of trench. So that's behind me. And I got 4-inch piece of PVC that I've replaced a bunch of orangeburg with. I dug it out. It's all collapsed on the bottom. But so far, this is working. I just put the PVC in there, hit it with 2x4, about an 8-foot 2x4, and just keep banging it in. Just keep banging it in, and now I've coupled it. The coupler won't fit through. I wish I could get a 20-foot piece of, black PVC, but I couldn't. So what I've done is I took JB Weld and quad, and I went around this thing with aluminum with the JB Weld and the quad. I'm going to put one rivet in the top of this aluminum sheet metal that I got here. And you can see the seam on it right at the top. I'm going to put one rivet in this part right there and one rivet right there, and that'll hold this thing together while I jam it through. And of course the rivet will stick out in the bottom, but worst thing that happens is this all fails, clogs up a whole bunch. And then I cut up this sidewalk. Here's the sidewalk I got to go under, 37 feet. So I figured, what the heck, if I can cut out 20 feet of trenching and all that, let's try it. So far it's working. And, we'll see what happens.